Welcome everyone to data analysis class with Power BI. Today we'll see how we can customize these visuals as well as before customizing there's some other analysis that has to be done. So we'll try and finish that up in this class. Now what we're going to be doing is possibly want to have a card at the top here that displays all the business entities and possibly some of the general features that cut across all these visuals. And I'm going to be using the Q&A. I'll double click on an empty space within um, the canvas. All you just have to do is double click here. We're going to be using a Q&A for this, whereby I would want to see the average time people spend within the company. Wow, it shows from here that an average of 3.5 years is what is spent in the company. So what I just do is I can say make this a standard visual by clicking on the arrow here. Now with this is a visual from our visualization pane, which is called a card. This is a card. So it shows that on an average, they spend 3.5 years in the company. That is, people who leaves the company spend 3.50 years in the company. So we can leave this for now. We'll do some other things with that later. Then if you double click again, you could see other options like average. You could see, let me expand this so that we can see better. You could see the average satisfaction level. Then let's see the average satisfaction level, that is how satisfied are the employees. So we can turn that into a visuals by clicking on card. Also, if you don't want to click on it, it shows that about 60%, 61% is the satisfaction level within the company. Then if you double click again, you could see some other options within the tab, such as what is the average left people they sorted, but we don't want to do that now. We could click on more option. How many salaries are there? How has that's sorted values for the last evaluation? We could also see promotion level shown in each. These are just various the average um, annual per month. We could say we want to do that. Now this is visuals telling us this, but we don't want that, so we could just delete for now. We click on it and press delete in our keyboard, and these are some visuals that it wants to show us, but we don't want that. Thank you. Now back to the customization of our report. um Firstly, in this class, I'm going to be introducing new ways to do your visuals. Most of the times, visuals is based on the inspiration, that is, the inspiration you want to, or how you want to design it. It's not anybody's business, but it's better you design it in an ordered manner for better exploration. Now, from here, I would want to say that I want to do some basic formatting to the texts, to the themes. So, first of all, I would go to views, then I will try to see there are themes here. you could use let's say the storm. Now it tries to give it a blue, but I don't like that. You could also use a frontal. Okay, this is more appealing to me. Now you could also see you want to click on views, then you scroll down to the section where you see something like customize current themes. Now here I would want to increase my titles. I want to make them 15. Then okay, I want to also see my text, the general text format. I want to increase the size to 12 or 13. Then we have page. The page, I leave it as that. Then the filter pane, you could also leave it that way and click on apply. Now you notice there is the signs has the font size has become bigger. Now also in addition, we want to see how we can arrange this so that we can have our new visuals here rightly in the position. So what we can do is we can reduce the sizes, the general sizes of each of these by dragging it down. You click on this, drag it down. You click on this and drag it down. Now they are in alignment, so I can now pull this down to see the average satisfaction level. Okay, now from here, okay, I have to reduce this. I can see the average time spent. I would want that one to be in the front, then this behind. What we're just trying to do from here is basic formatting to make it look appealing and better. So in our next video we'll continue from here and try to see how we can do some other visual customization to make our report better. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.